To calculate the formal charges for thiocyanate, SCN-, we'll start with the correct Lewis structure. So you can see here, the sulfur has an octet, carbon has 8 valence electrons, it has an octet, and the nitrogen also has an octet, and we're using all the valence electrons we have. So this is the correct Lewis structure. Let's find the formal charge on the sulfur first. So sulfur here is in group 16, sometimes called 6A. It has 6 valence electrons. The unbonded, these are the ones here that are not between atoms. We have 2, 4, 6 of those. And then we're going to take half of the bonded valence electrons. That's these right here. So we have 2. Those are between the sulfur and the carbon. They're the chemical bond. So we have 2 of those. So 2 over 2. And when we add those up, 6 minus 6 is 0. Minus 1, we have a minus 1 formal charge for the S, for the sulfur here. So let's put it right here. For carbon, we have group 14, sometimes called 4A, 4 valence electrons. And then all of the electrons around carbon, they're in chemical bonds. So we don't have any unbonded valence electrons. We have 2, 4, 6, 8 of the bonded valence electrons. We'll take half of those. And 4 minus 0 minus 4 is 0. So the formal charge on carbon, that's going to be 0. The nitrogen, group 15, 5A, 5 valence electrons. And then we have the 2 unbonded valence electrons over here, that lone pair of electrons. And we have 2, 4, 6 divided by 2 of these bonded valence electrons. 5 minus 2 is 3. And then 3 minus 3, that's 0. So the formal charge on the nitrogens, that's 0 as well. So we have a -1 formal charge on this sulfur atom, and that makes sense because the overall thiocyanate ion has a negative charge. So those are the formal charges for SCN- thiocyanate. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.